Jesus loves y'all. Can I pull on mine by y'all not bothering you?
He's gonna fucking ask me.
Hey, y'all got us off on the wrong foot.
Hey,
He wants to give you some money.
Huh?
I like that horn.
That's a nice rim too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You like the rim of your stool?
Huh?
You say you like the rim of your stool?
No, I like the rim, man.
Airborne Rangers here.
That's what I'm talking about.
68, 67, 68, 69.
You ain't been drinking, have you?
No.
No, I ain't.
Sometimes.
All right. Well, I drink all the time.
Well, you got a beer?
No, I'm out of beer.
Well, I got one in here.
We're gonna get you some more.
Give us a beer.
Open.
Yeah.
Can I hit the horn again?
Yeah. Roll. Not bad.
Training. Good.
I motherfucking see.
Have a good
That's
day.
Hey, is your mama single?
My mom is dead.
Oh shit! I hope you probably fix this up tonight.
Well, my old lady, man, I told somebody else. I said, you know what? Hope you're enjoying with my wife and your kids. So
that's fucked up.
What y'all doing tonight?
We out
rolling around?
just running around fucking up things and doing that and getting liquored up. And
I want that horn.
You got a big horn.
Do it again.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
Show us that axe one time. Show them out the axe. I want to see the axe.
No.
Oh, come on, man.
No,
we're gonna put it up.
Show them the axe. Come on, show them the axe one time.
He just did. It's right there.
You see it? Mike's scared of it. You got him this old pecker all spread.
No, I don't want to get shot.
I got some hot dogs. You want some?
You got a big dog.
Hot dog.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, y'all have a wonderful night.
Right,
Jesus cares about y'all.
Take for one too.
Hey, blow the horn again.
I got him.
Didn't even. Holy shit! Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
Up here.
Let's just see what we got on going over here. You got him?
I got him. Oh yeah, that's good. That was so strong. That was so strong. No, it's good enough.